Hello, this class is about how to make chess pieces and a board. Okay, today we'll be making the horse. Please look at the other videos on the other pieces, and we've got a few more pieces to go on other videos to come. Okay, first thing you do is you put your board here, as I repeat from previous lesson, and you place it and then G clamp here. As you see here, this is why I've got these pieces here sticking out all over the place. They're for a reason. Okay. Now here, we've drawn the horse a little bit too high deliberately, so I can show you that if this happens, you have to cut it here or draw the line further up. Okay. So I'm just going to cut it here. I've got a picture of the horse here. I'm not sure the camera can see that. I don't think you can. Okay. But just. It's just a matter of shaping a horse or a horse piece. And like I said in the previous video, you need 4 of these horses, 2 on each side. Okay, so go here and cut this on an angle like this. The horse is an interesting piece, so I'll tell you why, if I remember why. Otherwise, if I remember to do so, I'll tell you later. Well, I'll tell you now in case I forget. Because once it's cut, you cut it on an angle like this. It gives it a very nice look here. Okay? Gives it a very nice look. Okay, so come here. They're all nice looks, but I mean, of course, you know, is my favourite looks because I love horses. Come here like that, and we come in here. Okay, and now, well, I can't see the lines here. Okay, so we go in here. You come here. So, like I said in the previous video, it's about drawing the pictures that you want in wood carving or in moulding something as in sculpture, and just cutting around the shape with a saw. Not sure what to use in this sort of field, but I use a saw. I'm very good at the saw. I've been using it from a little boy, so I can't go wrong with it. If you're not good with it, you have to practice a lot, and I'm telling you, you will become good with it in practice. And of course, when you practice, I always stress the point, I forgot to mention in the other videos, but you should be practicing with God, that is by prayer, that He'll be with you. Okay? In everything that you do, always practice with God. Okay? He loves participating in happiness and being our father-in-law. He loves it, loves looking after us. So just ask him if he will spend time with him. Come here. Okay, we have a look at this. Okay. We come here. Where is it? I can't see the picture here. Okay, it's over here. So we come here. Okay, so we then cut it on an angle here, just a bit. over here. We then cut it over here, a touch. Find the right measurement. It's about a little bit in here. Okay. These measurements. Okay. I need it. Just straight in the eyes. And you just find the length. Yeah, that experience. Anyway. We'll do it on the other side. Go in here. Cut that. And in here. Cut that. Now if you want correct measurements, measure this, especially this part, but I'm not going to measure it. I'll go with the eyesight. Okay, we're coming at an angle now, down that way. I'm not sure what that is in mathematics, I know that with vision only. And we come on it, so you have to measure it according to your liking. You know, according to the design. We come on over here. All done, no measurements. Well, there is measurements, but not as much as you need, as others put. Like only the start. Okay. And we come this way and do it the reverse way. Okay, that good. No measurements, no nothing. Okay. And then all that's left is to rust for it. Now, I repeat, it's okay to measure it if you have to. Okay, I used to do that. Maybe not with chest pieces, I'm new to making chest pieces, but with everything else that I've done this for a long time. So it's not new to me to do things like this. Maybe chest pieces, but I've done work like this in other things. Okay, just a little bit. And all it's left is to cut it at the bottom here. Come here. Okay, now we finished our cutting. Okay, now all there is to do now is sand it a fair bit, if you want to, that is. Okay, and then just paint it as the horse there. Okay, we'll check if it stands. Perfect. So we've done the horse. Thank you for watching. God be with you all. Take care and bless you.